Dames en heren, jongens en meisjes, vrienden en vriendinnen van dit Radio Feuilleton. In de show vandaag is Sheila E. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very fine. Thank you. It's great to have you on the show. It's a great honor for us to have you here this morning.
Thank you. It's beautiful. This is a nice place. It's just early, that's all.
Yeah. Were you in that bus in the parking place?
I was, yes.
No way.
No, I wasn't. No, I was earlier.
Yeah.
We got in, what, one in the morning or so? I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't keep track.
No, doesn't matter. It's great to have you again.
Thank you.
Are you ready to play the first song?
Yeah,
okay,
let's do it.
What are you going to play?
Let's go back to the 80s and let's do Love Bazaar.
Wauw, dames en heren, Sheila E, dit is a Love Bazaar.
All right, here we go. A, B, C. Whispering words that scream of outrageous sin. We all want the stuff that's found in our wildest dream. It gets kind of rough in the back of our limousine. Come on. Ow. That's what we are. We all want a love bazaar. If that's what we are, we all want a love bazaar. Strawberry mind, a body that's built for two. A kiss on the spine and do things we never do. Follow the pride, joy of the iron time. Dance on the roof, make love on a bed of mine. Come on. That's what we are. We all want a love bazaar. If that's what we are, we all want a love bazaar. That's what we are. We all want a love bazaar. If that's what we are, we all want a love bazaar. On the two, come on. It's early in the morning, and it's funky up in here. Woo! Give me some more espresso in the lobby. Woo! Strawberry jam. Come on. Whipped cream, yeah. It's early in the morning. It's early in the morning. Jazz. Jazz. to the chair, you can hardly be aware how I suffer from the heat and from chills on my feet. If we took a little walk, we might have a little talk later. Take the airs to the table to the chair, chair to the table. Now you know we are not able. How foolishly you talk when you know we cannot walk to the table with a sigh. It could do no harm to try. Many legs as you, why can't we walk up? So the bullet slowly down, walked about the town with the cheerful bumpy sounds that totter around. And everybody cried as they sit to the side. So the table and the chair have come to put it going down an alley to a castle in the valley. They completely lost their way, wandered all the day till the street was safety back. The painter took a crack and it blew to any mouse who took it to the. Then they whispered to each other, though they like a little brother would have left me while we take away the sound of music. Ducky and a little brown and mousy and a beetle down the dance on the hill. Come on, everybody say hey, oh, 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 ah, ah, woo, woo, ooh, ooh. Everybody scream. Give me a little, give me a little, give me a little, give me a little.
Good morning. Goedemorgen.